Okay, what's up guys? I got a Monroe avocado and it is soft. I got this from a friend. So I'm curious to see how this tastes and give this a try. So this weighs 24 ounces, so a pound and like 8 ounces. So well over a pound. Skin is still green. I do believe that my friend got it from somebody in Florida, and he gave it to me and said, hey, here you go, give it a try. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna cut this guy open. Let's see. It does feel soft. And you know, I've had what's called I guess they call it like a tropical avocado at the stores. And there's not really, it doesn't say it's a Hass or anything like that, but I've had it and it was okay. It wasn't bad. But this is the Monroe. So let's see. I crack it open. And yeah, it looks actually really nice. Color wise, looks pretty much just like an avocado. You got darker green on the edges. This pale yellow color. So it's kind of nice. Let's do my peel test. I always forget to do this sometimes, but so kind of cut it like that. Then I'll do a peel test. It actually peels really nice. Wow, that is. I mean, the skin's a little rubbery. That's exactly how I like to see a peel. Peel. Anyways, let's give it a taste. So I'll fast forward through this section so you don't have to hear me chewing. Slight hint of avocado taste. Very, what I would say, watery. It is buttery and smooth. It does taste good. I mean, to me, if I made this into like a shake or something, probably good. But the flavor profile of this is kind of what I remember from having an avocado from Florida. It's good, but not like, it's hard to describe. You know what? I actually have a Hass. Let me cut open the Hass. So this is good old Hass, black skin now. Cut this guy open. It doesn't look really nice on the inside, but we can still, I mean, I got this from the store. It was on sale, so I couldn't really pass it up. Even though I got avocados at home, I still buy some at the store here and there. But this looks a little overripe, but we'll try this real quick. This store-bought Hass is not the best store-bought Hass I've ever gotten. My Hass at home tastes way better than this. Homegrown is always better, but you know, sometimes they do pick these a little early and they ship them and things like that. But to me, this tastes better than that. That's just, here, let me take another bite of this. The Hass was better than the Monroe. Monroe's good, but I don't know. I know a lot of people from Florida love this stuff, and to me, I don't know. I do have this, which is it dropped. This is a Jan Boyce. So this dropped off the tree and now it's kind of soft. So let's cut one of these open. This is really early. We're in like December. And I just think that, you know, this might taste okay now. So, see, typical Jan Boyce. You see how small that seed is? So here's, let's give this a try. It doesn't peel really good, and that's partly because it was early and it dropped. I think a UFO kind of climbed onto the tree and knocked it off. And I saw it on the ground and I'm like, oh, that looks like a Jambois. So we'll give this a try real quick. It's actually not bad, even though it's not ready yet. Like, it's not the season for Jambois. This one that dropped is actually tasting okay. So I would even say that this Jambois is better than the Monroe that's kind of like at prime, ready to eat. And this is not even prime yet. And the Jambois is already better. So let's see the seed. I mean, this is a huge seed. Check it out. So we'll pop it out. I mean, this is a big seed. And you know what? I guess what I can do is just plant this and use it as rootstock. So we'll give it a try. In any case, thanks for watching, and more videos to come for sure. Talk to you guys later. See ya.